Look up class in the dictionary. There's a picture of Leon Bibb.
This guy's a 1 in a million guy, decorated combat veteran.
An exquisite journalist, 6 Emmy Awards, Distinguished Journalist Award.
Brilliant poet. This is a man of intelligence, compassion, and style. Leon Bibb has style. He came in at a time where you didn't have a whole lot of Americans who were black anchoring the news. And this is a guy that came out of early journalism, never waiting for the opportunity. He created opportunities.
He got a start in report at the Bowling Green State University newspaper, television station.
He was the first African-American primetime news anchor in the state of Ohio. He broke barriers when he became the primetime news anchor for WKYC Channel 3 in Cleveland. He became trusted and a beloved fixture for so many people in Northeast Ohio.
After a lot of people, spend maybe working 2 shifts back then at the Ford plant or the Chevy plant, that was a guy you could come home to and listen to and understand what was going on.
Local people, local news, the stories that matter.
What makes him pretty unique in my belief is he finds stories where most people maybe don't find stories. Anyone can tell you what the latest thing happened today, but he always knows the right thing to say.
He blended news and commentary, not in the wrong way, but in the right way. He found a rhythm to the message.
He has certainly interviewed the who's who of our time, including Neil Armstrong, James Earl Ray.
The White House actually called Leon to come to Washington, D.C. to interview President Obama in the White House.
He was on the ground during the Gulf War.
Al Roker said Leon is still to this day a living legend, and that speaks to the greatness of Leon. He had many opportunities to go to NBC, National in New York City. Leon felt as though his higher calling was to stay in Cleveland, raise his family. He's that rare person that not only had the career, but he was there for the birthdays. He was there for the anniversary.
I think that just speaks to how far he goes, not only for making sure his family commitments are met, but also finding ways to balance the rest when others may feel that's kind of impossible or really hard to do.
Leon's been on the airwaves for over 50 years, but most people don't know that for a portion of that time, he served his country and other people weren't doing so.
He is a decorated veteran from the Vietnam War, earned a Bronze Star for his service.
If Walter Cronkite is the gold standard, then Leon's the platinum.
I would say Leon is quite accomplished. His professional accomplishments are numerous, but I think of all of those accomplishments, they all pale in comparison to how he tells stories. He connects with the television viewer, and he's someone you look to and trust because of how seriously he takes his profession.
He is the best of what a person can be, the best of what an American can be, the best of what a broadcast journalist can be.
I'm Leon Bibb, hoping this evening unfolds as a comfortable one for you. Good luck, be well, good evening, and peace.